Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stop your unwanted hair from growing and how to get rid of it. Okay, now since this remedy is natural, you have to follow the rules just like it is. So if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and then let me take you down into this video. Alright guys, this will help you stop shaving more often. Turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great remedy and spice that works so well in making your skin look glowing. Now it contains a lightening property that helps lighten up the skin, and it also helps to delay the growth of a new hair. Applying turmeric on the skin would help you to remove all unwanted hair. Alright guys, so for this you're gonna be needing just a little quantity of turmeric. Now you have to be careful while using this because turmeric stains the cloth. And here I have 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now the next ingredient is rice. Now rice is an ancient remedy that works so well for the skin. It helps to remove unwanted hair, softens the hair, and it also helps to make your skin glowing. It lightens up the skin, and it's about half tablespoon is perfect. Then we're going to be needing lemon. Lemon is essential for the skin because it contains acidic property that helps to lighten up the skin. Mixing it alongside with other natural remedy would work so well in softening the skin, and then other ingredients will help in removing the hair. So we're going to be cutting that. And then what we're going to be needing is the juice. So I'm going to press the juice in here, and this lemon has a lot of juice. Okay, so I would have to mix it first before putting another one. So we need more of that. So I'm going to be stirring that up. And the last ingredient is tomato. Now this is a great remedy that helps to slow the growth of a new hair. It actually helps to remove and uproot all unwanted hair on the skin. So you're going to be needing, so I'm going to be grating it to get the juice out of it. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be turning that into ingredients and give this a good stir. And this is a perfect remedy that would help you to remove all unwanted hair. Yeah, and you have to apply this 3 to 4 times, you know, for a very visible and a clear result. Alright, so here is the hair removal, and some people have a genetic hair growth. Okay, so like ladies. I'm actually talking about ladies now, okay? Because men, it's actually natural and normal for you to grow hair at those areas, but for the areas in which you actually do not want the hair to grow, you can use this remedy. For example, the jawline, the jaw. Okay. And for some ladies, I usually see some ladies have hair here too, just like men. So you apply this and to this side. Okay, when you're applying this, you have to be careful if you're actually wearing white, just like me, because I love to wear white every morning. Like, it's a nightgown. So I wake up and I make a video with it. But I don't want it to get stained. So, if you're also having some hairs on your chest, apply this. Okay guys, so this treatment will not just remove the hair at once in one application, okay, because it is natural, there's no chemical in it. But when you apply it like 3 times to 4 times consecutively, like today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, the upper tomorrow, all of the hair is going to be melted away. Of course, immediately when you apply it, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of improvement. Look at my jaw, like, hello, how are you? You're going to be seeing that the hair is going to be melting, okay? It's going to be melting away, and it's actually not going to like grow back fast because of the turmeric and the tomato in it. Yeah, every other ingredient is just to soften your skin and glow your skin alongside with it. Thank you. Alright, so after which you have to hold it on for it to dry. When it dries, then you would be washing this off and applying your normal soap on. Okay guys, so it's just as simple as that and as easy as that. You have to apply it about 3 to 4 days, just like I've told you in the video, and it's actually going to help you so much to melt out the hair, and it's not going to grow back on time. Not that it's not going to grow at all, but it's not going to grow like. So that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye and stay flawless.